Here are some examples provided to you below on how to access a phone with a broken screen. Part 1. How to control broken screen Android from PC by phone mirror. Step 1. Install and run the software on your PC. Then select Android on the interface. Step 2. Follow the prompts to connect your Android phone to the computer via USB cable or Wi-Fi. Step 3. Once connected successfully, your phone display will mirror onto the computer. Now, you can click the mouse icon in the sidebar to enable mouse control, allowing you to manage your Android from your PC. Part 2. How to access phone with broken screen with PC using USB cable. Step 1. Plug your Android phone into the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. If the phone screen is partially usable, unlock the phone and select the File Transfer MTP mode from the notification panel. Step 3. Open the File Explorer on your computer and navigate to your phone's storage. Step 4. Access and transfer the files you need. Part 3. How to access Android with broken screen from PC via AirDroid. AirDroid allows you to remotely access and control your phone from your computer, provided you've set it up beforehand. Step 1. Install the AirDroid app on your phone and sign up for an account. Step 2. Download AirDroid Desktop on your PC or use the web version. Step 3. Log in with the same account on both devices or scan the QR code to establish the connection between your broken screen Android with computer. Step 4. After that, control your phone remotely. Part 4. How to view Android screen with broken screen on PC through ADB. Step 1. Download and install ADB tools on your PC. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your phone, if possible. Step 3. Connect your phone to the PC with a USB cable. Step 4. Open the command prompt on your computer and run the following commands. Add B devices to verify the connection. Add B shell screen cap P scarred screen, PG to take a screenshot. Add B pull scarred screen, PG to retrieve the screenshot. Part 5. How to use Android phone with broken screen Untouchable. This is particularly useful if the screen is non-functional but the phone itself is still working. Step 1. Purchase an OTG cable that matches your phone's charging port, for example USB-C or micro USB. Step 2. Connect the OTG cable to your phone and plug a USB mouse into the other end of the cable. Step 3. Use the mouse to navigate your phone and perform tasks like unlocking the screen or enabling file transfer mode.